Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, another controversial video involving the security forces. Now this time, it involves members of the Jamaica Defense Force, the JDF. The incident took place sometime last week at a checkpoint on Oxford Street, Denham Town in the Kingston Western Police Division. That area, which has been a zone of special operation, was placed under a state of emergency on Sunday morning. Here's a look at the video. Now, when TVJ News visited the area this afternoon, residents told us the man was on his way to work when the altercation occurred. We were unable to find out the circumstances which led to the fracas. The man involved in the incident was not in the area when our newsroom visited the community. Our information is that the man was not detained or charged with any offense. Meanwhile, the Jamaica Defense Force said in a statement this afternoon,